So, one of the things that we found out very quickly as part of our diagnostics and customization session that we do with the senior management team is really that they were looking at three specific things from an outcome, right? One, how do we create a baseline, a consistent baseline of product management concepts, vocabulary, processes, templates, tools to be used across the entire product organization. And I think this was a very important outcome that they desired. Number two, they wanted an objective assessment and a competency-based assessment of their teams, both on the inbound product management side as well as the outbound product management side. And so while they had a gut feel of where their participants and where their employees were, what they really wanted was a third-party objective assessment. And so that was a very important outcome. I think the third, which is very important mandate, was they wanted to really build skills. They did not want to just leave this as a knowledge acquisition, a training, but really a workshop that allows them to immerse their participants, their employees with us in solving real-world challenges that they're actually facing as we speak. And so we had to kind of customize the curriculum, customize the context of our workshops to remove kind of what we call standard and stock templates and case studies from Harvard into augmenting it with some specific problems that they wanted to solve. And I think that led to a pretty interesting exercise in terms of how we were able to create a very impactful and a very customized intervention for their product teams.